beautiful moms, and hello proud papas. Hope you are all fine and your babies are also doing great. So in early age, babies are prone to get infected with cough and cold. And Vicks Baby Rub is something that is specially made to treat your babies with cough and cold. But as our babies are so delicate, we think 100 times before using anything. So today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can use Vicks Baby Rub safely for your baby. So to watch more videos on baby care, child care, mother care and pregnancy, please subscribe to my channel. And now let's move towards today's video. So very first thing that comes to our mind is if it is safe. Well, this is Vicks Baby Rub. It contains aloe vera, coconut oil, fragrances of lavender and rosemary. So the formulation is very different from Vicks Vapor Rub, which is used for adults. So this formulation is very mild and gentle on babies' skins. You will be able to make it out if you smell it. It smells nice and it is very mild. Well, if it is very mild, you may think if it is effective at all. But believe me, babies are very delicate and they actually need mild things. So this is very effective and I think this is very safe for babies. I used it for my baby for years. And one thing that I would like to mention, that even it is mentioned on the pack that you should not use this for babies who are below 3 months. Well, people do not use the instructions written on the pack and they use this for even newborn babies. Well, newborn babies have very delicate skin and even such a mild medicine can irritate their skin. So please do not use it for babies who are below 3 months. Otherwise, it is very safe for babies and very effective as well. How to use it? Well, it is very simple to use. You just need to take out a very small amount on your finger and apply it on your baby's chest, neck and soles of your baby's feet. Please do not apply it directly on your baby's face anywhere. I've seen people or parents apply Vicks Baby Rub on baby's nose or forehead directly, like we use Vicks Vapor Rub in adults. But that is something very wrong, because we cannot tell our babies not to touch their nose or not to touch their forehead, because then the chances are babies can touch their nose and touch this Vicks Baby Rub and then put it in their mouth or put it in their eyes, which can be very irritating for babies and which can make them very, very uncomfortable. So make sure you do not use it directly on your baby's face. Even when you use this, apply this on your baby's feet or sole of your baby's feet. Make sure that you put on the socks so that babies do not touch the Vicks Baby Rub directly. Things to avoid. Well, you can use this Vicks Baby Rub twice a day for 2 to 3 days for your baby. Please do not use it excessively, because excessive use of any medicine is not good for your baby. As I said, baby skins are very gentle and very delicate. So excessive use of any medicine can irritate your baby's skin. So also do not add this Vicks Baby Rub to any hot water to give steam to your baby. If you want to give steam to your baby, please use plain water. Do not add any medicine or Vicks Baby Rub to it, because the vapors will not go only in your baby's nose or respiratory tract, but it will also go to your baby's eyes. That can really, really irritate them. So please avoid using Vicks Baby Rub in hot water or to give steam to your baby. So that's all for today. I hope that helps. Let's meet in my next video. Till then, bye.